Pleasant morning, children. Happy to see you all again. Today, we are going to recall the important points in Chapter 7 Getting to Know Plants. Plants are different types. You can observe different types of plants in our surroundings. So, one plant is tall and another plant it is short. So, this is different types of plant. Plants are categorized as herbs, shrubs, and trees. There is three category: herbs, shrubs, and trees. Herbs are short plants with green and tender stem, which have the soft stem. And next, it is about the shrubs. The stem of the shrub shows branching near the base of the stem. So the branches are near to the stem. The trees are tall with hard, thick brown stem. So in the trees, they are very tall and the stem portion it is hard, thick and it is brown in color. And next category, it is creepers and climbers or the plants with weak stem. So they cannot able to grow in upright. The function of the stem is to conduct water and minerals and send to other parts of the plants. The work or the role of the stem is to get the water from the root and it passes to the other parts of the plant. And the stem consists of narrow tubes to conduct water. So for passing of the water, they have the narrow tubes like the water pipes which is in our home. Okay, and next the different parts of a leaf are lamina, petiole, veins and midrib. Lamina, which is the broad green portion of a leaf, that is the lamina, and petiole, it is the portion where it attached to the stem, that is the petiole. Veins are the lines in the leaf, and midrib, it is the middle line which is present center in the leaf, that is the midrib. And the arrangement of veins in the leaf is called leaf venation. So the veins, the pattern or the design of a veins, that is called as leaf venation. It is of two type. Leaf venation, it is of two type: parallel venation and reticulate venation. Parallel venation, the veins are arranged parallel to others. Okay, that is the parallel venation. In reticulate venation, the veins are arranged net-like structure on both sides of the midrib. That is the reticulate venation. Next, the water from the leaves come out in the form of water vapor due to transpiration. So transpiration is the process in that the water comes out from the leaf in the form of vapor. Okay, so that process it is called as transpiration. Excess water from the plant it is removed by the leaf. Leaf prepares food through the process called photosynthesis. Okay, so leaf is the food factory of a plant. And next, root, it helps in anchoring the plant to the soil and absorbs the water and minerals from the soil. So the work of a root is to fix the plant in the soil firmly and it absorbs the water and minerals from the soil. Roots are of two types. It is taproot and fibrous root. In taproot, you can observe the primary root, the main branch, and the lateral roots arise from the primary root. In fibrous root, all the roots are similar and it looks like a bush. Okay, so that is the fibrous root. Plants with reticulate venation have the taproot. So by observing the venation of a leaf, we can identify what type of root the plant has. So here the reticulate venation, if a plant has a reticulate venation, the root it must be taproot. While the plant with parallel venation, they have the fibrous root. Some edible roots are radish, carrot and turnip. So which we can consume, the root portion which we can consume, that is the edible roots. Next, the different parts of flower are sepal, petal, stamen, pistil. So now we are going to discuss about the flower. Sepal, it is the green portion which surrounds the flower. which protects the inner parts of a flower, and petals are the colorful portion of a flower which attracts the human beings, animals, birds and insect. And stamen, which is the male reproductive part of a flower, and pistil, it is the female reproductive part. Flower, it is a reproductive part of a plant. Stamen consists of anther and filament. So these are the two parts in the male reproductive part. And pistil is made up of style, stigma and ovary. Ovary consists of ovules, which is a bead-like structure. Okay. Thank you, children.